What is a buyer's and seller's market? And answering some of the questions that come along with buyers and sellers markets. Are you considering buying or selling a home, but you're unsure of the best way to do so? Well, certain seasons may be busier than others. Real estate markets do have fluctuations, and they have more so to do with the supply and demand at the specific time of year. Therefore, it's important to pay attention to whether your local area is experiencing a buyer's or a seller's market. If you're unfamiliar with these terms, don't worry, as I'm here to help and answer these questions. So understanding the difference between a buyer's and seller's market can make all the difference in your timing, especially in your real estate transaction, making sure that it's at your advantage. A buyer's market occurs when there is an oversupply of homes for sale, meaning there's more homes on the market than there are interested buyers. In this scenario, buyers have more leverage over sellers who must compete with each other to attract potential buyers. As a result of this, real estate prices generally decrease and homes stay on the market a little longer, prompting sellers to drop their asking prices and negotiate offers to avoid buyers walking away. For buyers, a buyer's market is I would say the greatest time to buy a new home, since prices are lower and there is less competition, and it's the best to take advantage of seller concessions and all this good stuff. Of course, this all totally depends on the specific area that you are buying in, so make sure to pay attention to this. So it's important to pay attention to the number of days on the market so that you're able to negotiate or negotiate contingencies. Now, sellers, if you are selling your home during a buyer's market, it's crucial to make sure it stands out. You can accomplish this by making necessary repairs, cleaning, and depersonalizing your home. Marketing it, of course, professionally, and pricing it competitively by surveying similar homes in your area. Now, in contrast, a seller's market occurs when there is a high demand for homes, but few are available on the market. In this scenario, sellers have the advantage and homes sell faster, often resulting in bidding wars. Buyers may be willing to spend more on a home than they would otherwise, and sellers can raise their asking prices, which is key, and buyers have less negotiating power and may need to act quickly to secure a property. For buyers in a seller's market, it is essential to act fast and have your financing in order. Buyers should also understand that they are at a disadvantage when making an offer and may need to prioritize what's most important. And it is crucial not to settle for a home just because it's available, a significant investment. For sellers in a seller's market, it's helpful to clean and organize a home, price it fairly, and carefully consider offers. It is also important to review the financial strength of each buyer, ensure a pre-approval for financing, of course, and beware of contingencies that could allow buyers to back out of the sale. Understanding a seller's market dynamics can help buyers and sellers navigate the real estate market effectively. Guys, to determine whether you're in a buyer's market or in a seller's market, there are several indicators that you can look for. First, check the real estate inventory. If many homes are available for sale, it is a buyer's market. If there are few homes listed, it is a seller's market. You can also calculate the ratio of homes currently on the market to those sold in the last month, with a result of above 7 indicating a buyer's market and below 5 indicates a seller's market. So checking recent sales can also provide a good idea of market conditions. If homes are generally selling above the asking price, it's a seller's market. If they are selling below the asking price, it is a buyer's market. Reviewing the pricing history of homes for sale can also provide insight into market conditions. The amount of time a home is on the market is another strong indicator of the market conditions. In a seller's market, homes sell faster, while in buyers, obviously, they take a little bit longer. When it comes to a seller's market, it is important to price your home competitively. Many sellers often make the mistake of pricing their homes too high, assuming that buyers will be willing to pay a premium to secure a property. However, this strategy can backfire because the buyers are perceiving the home as overpriced and they're just going to be essentially turned off. And it's best to price your home competitively based on comparables in your specific area and can consider it slightly below market value to generate even more interest. Additionally, it is important to make your home stand out in a crowded market. Consider making minor repairs, decluttering, like I've said, and making sure that your space is welcoming and it's a neutral palette for those that are coming to see it and they can envision themselves. Of course, professional photography and marketing material can also help to make it more attractive and make sure that the right eyes are on it. Now, this is for my buyers. For my buyers in a seller's market, acting fast and having your financing in order is super, super important because bidding wars are expected in seller's market as we saw during COVID. So be prepared to make a competitive offer and potentially pay more than the asking price as we saw. It is also important to prioritize your must-haves and be flexible with your contingencies to make your offer more attractive to the seller. Guys, overall, understanding the current market conditions in your local area is essential for making informed decisions about buying or selling property. By analyzing the real estate inventory, recent sales, pricing history, time on the market, market trends, you can determine whether you are in a buyer's or a seller's market and adjust your strategy accordingly. Even if the market conditions seem favorable for your position, working with a trusted real estate agent who can guide you through the process and provide valuable insights into the local market is still super, super important. With their expertise and knowledge, you can gain a competitive advantage and achieve your real estate goals. Like I said, it is important to understand the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market so that you are able to make an informed decision about buying or selling your specific property. Guys, I hope that you found this video informative, whether you are a buyer or a seller, taking advantage, as I've said, of the current market conditions is crucial to get the best possible deal. And keep this in mind, speak to a real estate professional. And if you don't have one, reach out to us so that we can point you in the right direction. I hope you guys found this video informative, and I hope that you can share it with a friend. As always, remember, hiring a knowledgeable and experienced real estate agent can provide you tons and tons of valuable guidance and insights to help you navigate the market successfully. Guys, hit that like and subscribe button and share this with somebody that you think could benefit from this. And we'll see you on the next one.